One day, Little Monkey saw a cornfield. "Wow, so much corn," he said. He picked some corn and walked on. Soon, he saw a peach tree. "Peaches, they look sweet," he laughed. He dropped the corn. He picked some peaches. After a while, he reached a watermelon field. "This is even bigger," he shouted. He dropped the peaches. He picked up a big watermelon. On the way home, Little Monkey saw a rabbit. The rabbit ran away. "So cute! Wait for me," he called. Little Monkey stopped. He looked at his hands. Oh, there is nothing left. Finally, Little Monkey went home empty-handed. Can you choose one thing and keep it? Like and follow.